Okay, we're here in our campsite. Careful. And here on this adventure, we take you to our first campsite, which is Burro Creek Campground.
This is our campground. It is very, very nice looking. There's that humongous, beautiful hill right behind us. And there's the wonderful Gidget. Where are we at, Gidget? You smell something on that tree, Finn?
And here's the creek. It's not exactly flowing right now, but it definitely has water in it. Careful. And when we got to the creek, we got to the other side, and when we did, Aaron got a little adventurous and decided to climb up the side of the wall. And what we heard from the camp host is there actually are burros at this creek, but you gotta let them do their own thing, because if you try and pet them or touch them, they can get a little rowdy because they are wild animals, so be careful.
Hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute to show you the side of our campground and say how grateful I am just to be here. It's such a beautiful planet. And this week I had my review at my regular job, you know, I have a regular job, and it went really well. It's probably the best review I've ever had, which is good. It was not what I all expected. So I just want to tell everybody that very grateful to be here, and very grateful for you who are watching our videos. Thank you. How awesome this campground is. From Wikieup, Arizona. It's called Burro Campground. And for $14, you get a site that's got a table, and it has really good restrooms, which is super important for us. Super important, I think, for everybody. Some sites are big enough for a small RV. Some sites are a little different.
Okay, we're here in our campsite. Here's the table. And over by the side is these rocks, but this one in particular is really cool. It's got some really cool patterns in it. And it's just sitting on top of this other one. I'm sure someone placed it there, but it's really, really neat. It's a really cool rock. Let me focus in on it. Sorry for all the zooming in and out. I'm moving around it. That's really cool.
The end of an almost perfect evening, we saw this. Woke up to this beautiful sky. Good morning, everybody. What a beautiful day. We're still at our campsite, Burro Campground. We'll be headed out today over to the Valley of Fire. This is just a beautiful place. Here's Finn walking with me.
Okay, now we had already gotten this one and we're waiting on mine, but this is the men's jacket and it's really nice. It feels really good and it's a heated jacket. So Aaron's going to use it on our trip and see how it does. And I will use the woman's jacket. Okay, everyone, so this is going to be the review for this particular jacket. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, so I'm not going to try. So that's the name of it right there.
Venestus, I believe.
Venestus? Well, that's one way, but if we butcher it, we're sorry. But anyway, so the way it works is it comes with a battery pack, which is right here, and you have to charge the battery pack and then you plug it into this little plug, which is right in this zipper pocket, and then you put it in the pocket and then you press this button for 3 seconds and then it will blink red for a few minutes. That's the preheat. And then it's got red, for which is high, white, which it's at right now, is medium, and blue is low. And we tried them. Aaron's wearing his as well, and I'm not cold. So this jacket is awesome. And these ones are not hoodies, but I do believe they come in hoodies, so you could put the hood over your head and everything. Of course, you all know that. But no, this coat works just great. I like it. I would definitely recommend it.
So this here is the high heat?
As you can see, it's red, white, which is medium, blue, which is low. You put it back on high.
Yeah, I did.
So what do you think of your coat?
Well, these are amazing. This is some of the best quality I've seen. You know what? I love these. I think we're going to get a set for a couple of friends too. We're going to buy a couple of these. These are absolutely awesome for anybody who camps, anybody who's dealt with cold weather. They're warm. In fact, it was crazy. I was outside and you can even feel the warmth in your back. Even right in here, it's warm.
Cool. And as we're walking this morning, I just wanted to show you like a 360 view of our campsite here. This is the 360 view of the Burro Creek Campsite in the morning. It is a really pretty place. I'm sure that if you come here, you'll enjoy it. And as we turn to over here, you can see Aaron and Finnick are still walking without me. I don't even think they notice I'm not there, but that's okay. But I just wanted to show you this. This is absolutely beautiful place.
This is Site 7, which is where I want to put us next time.
The desert garden. This is nice. One, the Joshua tree. Two is, I can't remember what it's called, but mesquite tree. Thank you very much. There's three. I don't remember. Definitely Arizona plants though. 4 is the cactus right there.
Prickly pear. Baby prickly pear.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. There's another Joshua tree. Over here is 6. I think it's this little guy right here, this little cactus. I don't think he's doing too good. He's probably in hibernation. And 5, which was whatever was right there, which is now weeds. And then we go find, oh, I think we went backwards. 4, 5, 6,
7, 8. still very true. 9 is a saguaro cactus.
Yeah. There's a bench. 10 is, oh, I can't remember what this guy is called. I don't remember. This guy. 11 over there. Is that guy over there?
Yeah, it's not oleander, but it's similar.
Yeah.
Okay.
And 12 is jumping cactus.
13's a bigger tropical cactus. You know what? That's the cactus that Finn pinked his nose on in our video.
Yeah. He was not harmed. 15 is the little barrel cactus, the saguaros.
What is this?
He found something interesting to sniff. Look at that. He found something interesting. Little sun designer or whatever in the rock right there. That's pretty neat.
Like a desert garden.
Absolutely not. Just kidding.
Hey everybody, we just wanted to tell you we're back at the Burro Campground. We got ourselves into the Site 7, which I wanted to. It looks absolutely amazing. And I have my new jacket on. You can see I'm in blue, so I'm in low heat right now, which is kind of nice. It was cold, really cold earlier. We had a massive wind.
Yeah, it was really windy and it rained a little bit too. But it's not anymore. It's clear sky actually, pretty much now.
Clear sky, beautiful day. If you turn this way, you can see our trailer right there. Oh, that looks good too. And then right behind us, this is the view I have from in front of me. And then, there you go. And that's the view right outside our front door.
So with that, we loaded up our trailer and our Jeep and we headed to our next destination,